we will look at the distributive property. The distributive property states if you have A times B plus C, then you can take A times B plus A times C. So some examples: 3x times 4y minus 5. I will write this out the first time. So 3x times 4y minus 3x times negative 5. This will be 12xy plus 15x. Typically, I just say 3x times 4y, 3x times negative 5. I just use my little arches to display the multiplication. You do not typically have to write this out unless you're instructed to do, or if that is your preference. Negative 2x times 2x minus 5. Take negative 2 times negative 2x times 2x. That would give us negative 4x squared. Negative 2 times negative 5 gives us a positive 10, and then our x comes along with us. Make sure you use the sign in front. 3x times 4x minus 8, and then we're going to add 4x to that. So we have 3x times 4x, which would give us 12x squared. 3 times negative 8 would be negative 24x, and then we have to add 4x. So when we add like terms, then the 12x squared stays because it doesn't have anything to combine with, but we can combine this negative 24x and the 4x into a negative 20x. 4 plus 2x times 5x plus 1 plus 3 times 2x plus 4 plus 7x. So we will have to distribute and then add like terms. So this 4 stays as a 4. Distribute the positive 2x. It would be a positive 10x squared plus 2x. Distribute the 3, positive 3x plus 12, and then the 7x comes down. Now, typically when I add like terms, I always start with the highest power. So this 10x squared does not have anything to combine with, so I will write that one first. And then the x's come next in sequence. So 2 plus 6 plus 7 would be 15x. And then the 4 and the 12 combine to a 16. Therefore, my answer is in order, and I don't have to reorder anything. 7x minus x times 5 plus 1 minus 3 times the quantity 5x minus 3 minus 6. Okay, so first we need to do the distributive property. So the 7x stays, but this negative x, please use the sign in front, negative x gets to be distributed. So negative 5x squared minus x. This negative 3 gets distributed. Negative 15x plus 9 minus 6. So just multiply this negative 3 by each of those terms to get your new term. And again, we have a negative 5x squared. And then we have a 7x, a negative 1x, and a negative 15x. So that would give us a negative 9x when you take 7 minus 1 minus 15, or 7 plus negative 1 plus negative 15x. And then these two at the end are alike, so you have plus 3. So we did distributive property, and then we added like terms to simplify our expression. This concludes this video.